What is up? I wanted to show you this Brother printer no paper error fix. This is on basically a MFC-7860DW laser printer by Brother. Now the fix is basically, it's a very simple fix. You don't have to replace anything. I will show you kind of a rundown of what was tried and what you probably should do as well. The first step is making sure your paper settings are proper for the type of paper you're using, thickness and all that, whatever standard you're using. Mine's just normal everyday paper, letter style paper. Now, after you go in here, you can basically power this down if you want. You can reset it back to factory specs. If that doesn't do anything, then the other thing is if you're printing from different computers and they all do the same thing, that's a good sign there's something probably wrong with either the printer or something else within the printer. Now, if it happens on one computer, obviously it would be something with that computer in particular. Maybe the settings are wrong for the printer type and stuff, because you can select the printer type and everything from the computer. So if you verify that this is correct, the settings in here, and then verify the computer you're printing from, and you still have the issue, you'll move on to probably cleaning the rollers. Brother recommends getting like a damp-free, like a lint-free cloth, just dampen it with water, and then go through and roll these rollers. There's 3 of them down here. These pickup rollers, it might vary on other printers. Once you clean those, and then the separator pad, you can just dry it off or let it air dry and then try it again if it still has the issue. They do make a kit for this. It's about 20 bucks on Amazon. The kit consists of the rollers, feed rollers, and then the spring and the page separator. So if you replace that, that might resolve your issue. But the thing about Brother is they do have a manual that has when those should be replaced, and they're at about 100,000 pages. So if you didn't run anywhere near 100,000 pages through one of these, which we have not even come close to that, we probably did 1% of that over 5 years, then this fix actually might work for you. So the next step is, besides checking, make sure your paper is set properly in here on the, pull your paper out, make sure it's all proper. If it's not on the overfill line, which is not, you still have the issue. The next step would be, do you see that little white tab in there? I'll put my light on it. That tab, some people recommend using like a needle nose. I recommend a little pick. These little picks, they sell at Harbor Freight. They're cheap and they work very well. There's a little 90-degree pick on it. Now, you might see this. It might be actually pushed all the way in, like that. If you see it pushed all the way in, or you just see a sliver of it, grab a pick and actually pull it back out, and you're good. You're good to go. Try doing that, and then basically run through the motions. Just restart the paper again after you engage the tray, and you should be good. But yeah, this should fix the no paper error on at least Brother printers. I don't know what other similar designs are out there, but if you have that little tab and it's pushed all the way inside of itself, try pulling it out and then give it another shot. Hope this helps. Latest.